All right, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast Edition. It is your fellow compadres speaking, of course. Today we'll be taking a look at the Sndl daily price prediction, and it looks like the buyers are stepping into the markets. The bulls have showed up, and hang on, guys. Let's throttle it down. Markets are currently open. We're not using our emotions during the markets hour, so let's throttle it down. Let's talk about Sndl, and we're going to get into a few details. I know it looks exciting, but we must keep our heads level and understand what's going on. Okay? Thanks for joining me here. Go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. And of course, leave a comment. I want to welcome you into the charts, guys. Thank you for stopping in here with us. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel thanks to you guys and including our loyal subscribers. Seriously, let's talk about Sndl. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today is January the 26th, 2021. And the current price of Sndl is going to be 0.6126. It's up approximately 2.2% for the day. Okay, so as we mentioned, with a little bit of excitement, but I have to throttle it down. The markets are open. It appears that the buyers are stepping in. Let's pull up our lines, guys. Really simple. Okay? So some are probably going to associate this with some sort of news. The news says this, and that's the reason why the price is going up. But you guys know what's going on, okay? They could say it's for the news, okay, whatever. The trend line is appearing to have price activity near the line. Is it support? It's too early for me to tell. These are the 3-day candles that we're looking at. There's 2 more days and 6 hours to close on this candle. Anything could change, Elias, okay? As long as it stays above this line, guys, we've already explained. I'm just reiterating what I've already said. I'm not going to get super excited. Some have asked, have I entered the market? Yes, I have actually entered a contract. I'm still not buying stock. I don't trust stock, okay? I need someone to commit to selling me a specific amount of stock after a date that we have signed on the contract. That it states quite clearly that we will have an agreement on that date at a specific strike price, okay? So that's what I did, okay? And I haven't loaded anything. I just, I just kind of just throw something at it, right? If it goes up, great, okay? We nailed the price point where it's finding support, and we should see Sndl at higher prices at some point here in the future. But again, guys, this does not excite me one bit, okay? Because it's too early in this candle to call it a bounce. What needs to happen, okay, in a short period of time, the price needs to break above these 2 red candles right here, okay? If it can break above and stay above 74 cents, then yeah, that's it. The seller's overhead are being cleared. That simply means that the price action has the path is clear, so to speak. The price can finally traject to the upside, and at the maturity of this trend line, this ascending trend here that we've been following, has a sufficient amount of buying financial support here to propel the price to the upside. It's not complicated. That's it. Really simple. Okay. So right now it appears that they are stepping in, guys, but we have to give the price action some time. I just wanted to stop in and just, I guess just talk to you guys and just to let you know that it appears that there's a reaction at this line. This could change the moment I post this video. So have a strategy ready in case the sellers have an interest in this market and we just so happen to get below this trend line, which is currently at about 58 cents. And the most important level that I don't really care about any other level is 56 cents right now, okay? If the price is above 56 cents, everything is just fine, all of my fellow compadres, okay? There's nothing to lose your shirt over, but I can assure you the sellers will not leave this market quietly because, as I mentioned before, there's a lot of optimism in Sndl. That makes me a little concerned. I don't like to buy into markets with optimism. I like to buy into markets where people are frustrated. People are throwing in the towel. People are saying, I'm done with this. I hate this stock. It's never going to go up. I lost so much money. Those are the stocks where I open up the charts and try to identify reversal candles and an immense amount of buying opportunities in those stocks. This stock isn't there yet, okay? Is it going to get there? I don't know, guys. I'm simply scaling in to a position in Sndl, okay? as it has made, again, a high, higher low, higher high, and right now within this consolidation phase, guys. So it's really important for the buyers to just maintain this area right here. Okay, all this price action, the low of about 46 cents all the way up to 74 cents. We're at a critical level right here, guys. This is it. This is the moment. All the Sndl bulls had better be strapped in, because if you're hitting that buy button, I mean, that's what the markets need to propel the price, to thrust to the upside. We're at a support line, a potential support line. So this is it. All right. I really don't know what else to say, guys. We have about 3 days to close. What I'm going to do on the next video is hopefully pull up a chart that we've already explored, the price action, how it behaves between the 30th leading into the next month up to the 7th. It's like a 7 or 8 day window, or like 5 day market days. I'm not sure, guys. Just the 30th up to the 7th in the following month. I want to explore that again with you guys. We're not going to do it on this video. I just want to cut out and just let you know that, yeah, that's where we are, guys. We're literally up against the trend line. I guess in closing here, let me just, I ramble so much. I know people, some people, they just smack me in the back of the head. Like, dude, please shut up and just tell us the price levels. Let me go ahead and give you the price level here. So the line here is going to be currently at about the, I think the line is pretty clean. I particularly placed it, and it should be at about 58. So if you write this stuff down, 58.20 is exactly where the line is right there. Okay, is it going to be perfect? I don't know, guys. I don't even know if it's going to come down to that level. Maybe it's ready to blast off. I'm not sure. Maybe it's going to break through. I don't know. My trajectory is, my bias is, critics, listen, my bias is not all over the place. It is to the upside. I just recently purchased a long-term contract in Sndl. This means, if you don't understand, this means that I think the price is going to go up. It's not guaranteed, obviously. My bias is to the upside. That could change. I'm well positioned to deploy literally like 98% more into this market, because I'm so patiently waiting for a perfect buy-in opportunity. And that's it. You guys have the level that it needs to stay above. Let me stop rambling. 58.20. And that's the level that we will be paying attention to over the next 48 hours. Okay. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys are doing well out there. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. If you enjoyed the content, leave a comment. Let us know, what are you guys doing? You guys buying now? You guys are selling? What are you doing? Let us know that down in the comments section. And if you're new, just joining us, we also cover the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. So subscribe, hit the bell. We'll actually send you that information when it's available. And I think we covered everything, guys. Thank you for your time. Seriously. Take care of yourselves. Protect yourself. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon. And bye for now.